In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an axis title to an existing chart in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook that contains the chart you want to edit. This is important because axis titles are added directly to the chart you already have. So you'll want to make sure you're working in the correct file before making any changes. Once your workbook is open, click on the chart itself to select it. When the chart is selected, Excel will display chart-specific options, which lets you modify elements like labels, titles, and formatting. If you don't select the chart first, the options you need may not appear, so this step is essential. After selecting the chart, look for the Chart Elements button. It appears as a small plus sign next to the chart. Click that plus sign to open the list of chart elements you can add or remove. This menu gives you quick access to useful features without needing to search through the ribbon, which makes it one of the easiest ways to update an existing chart. In the Chart Elements list, find the option labeled Axis Titles and check the box next to it. As soon as you do that, title placeholders will appear on the chart. Depending on the type of chart you're using, you may see a title area for the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, or both. Next, click directly on the axis title placeholder that appears on the chart. This activates the text so you can edit it. Then type the title you want to use. For example, you might enter a label for the horizontal or x-axis if you want to describe categories, time periods, or other values shown along the bottom. You can also type a title for the vertical or y-axis to describe measurements, totals, percentages, or whatever the chart is tracking. Make sure your axis titles are clear and specific. A good title helps anyone viewing the chart understand the data more quickly, especially if the chart will be shared in a report or presentation. When you're done typing, press enter, or simply click anywhere outside the chart to apply the title. Excel will save the text in place and your chart will immediately look more polished and easier to interpret. And that's it. You've successfully added an axis title to an existing chart in Excel.